do you know why I'm here? Dumbledore sent me here. Apparently there's a Horcrux somewhere in Times Square. I can find the Horcrux and I can finally defeat Voldemort. Voldemort's near. I can sense him. I want him to find me, because when he does, I'm gonna kill him. Everyone, my name is Harry Potter. I'm the chosen one. I only have a few galleons on me, and if you have a few cents or monies to spare, I would greatly appreciate it.